How to make a retractable grapple line for your action figures. You need one of these retractable keychain lines or badge holders. I picked the silver one up at a store for like a couple dollars. Has about 15 inches of line. You could also pick them up at Dollar Tree. They're called retractable badge holders, a little bit bigger, but they'll work. Tools for this project: few needle nose pliers and wire cutters. I'm going to start by using one of the retractable card holders that's sold at Dollar Tree. It has this metal triangle that is really easy to loosen up. You just pull it apart and take the plastic card or badge holder off, and then you can bend the triangle back to secure it to the card holder or the retractable line. Sometimes it takes a little finesse to get it to line up right. That's that easy. This grappling hook is from the G.I. Joe vs. Cobra line. It's a Firefly. And it has a hole that the string went through. I pulled the string off, and I just sticks the wire through there and bend over the top edge where it won't come out. Then towards the bottom, I'm just going to make a small loop. Try to get the loop lined up right in the center of the grapple hook. It really helps out. I cut off the excess with my wire cutters. Then I could loosen this loop I just made with some needle nose pliers, and then attach it to the retractable line. All set. I've always liked those retractable grappling hooks like what Batman uses. This one would probably just be used by hand to hook onto something and rappel down. This belt loop will actually fit through the climbing rig. And you could use it to rappel down that way. I think it'd look cool if it was attached to like a backpack or something. These are really easy to make. I think they're really cool too. Thanks again for watching. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing and hit that like button if you like this video. It really helps the channel out. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you don't miss out. And don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. I'll see you in the next one.